Hey you guys, it's Miss Dawson here, and today I'm going to be opening my first set of boxes from my P.O. box, and I'm so excited. Thank you to everyone that reached out about my P.O. box. I'm so excited. So let's go ahead and open everything up. All right, so we're gonna start off with this box right here. Look at the cute stickers. Oh my gosh, I'm literally so excited for this. I've already cut them open, so I wouldn't waste time doing that, but I have not opened it yet. This is from Julia, so thank you so very much, Julia. I hope I could find your TikTok so I can tag you, but I'm already so excited because you took the time to send me something and you put the cutest stickers on there, and I wish I could take them off and keep them on. Oh, well, first of all, I love a handwritten note letter. I don't know if I told any of you, but a handwritten letter means so much to me, and I love when my students do that, family, friends, loved ones. So this is, look at the cute little, okay, y'all, I'm back. My light died, but I'm back. Okay, I did not open nothing, so let's go ahead and dive in. I'm so excited. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. Thank you so much. I already love it. I already seen something. Oh my gosh. Okay, so the first thing we have, this is so cute. I don't know if there's anything in there. And it is. Look. I love it so much. Oh. Are you serious right now? Wow. This is so amazing. Y'all, did she really? Oh my goodness, look at these. I gotta find the best place to put these. They're so adorable. There's so many other ones in here. My heart. Wow. There's like really some really sweet, kind people in this world, and I'm just like, oh! Oh, stop it. This is amazing. Y'all, I'm gonna be wearing this every day. I don't care. I don't care what you say. Oh my God, this is so beautiful. Oh. This, I can't help it. Oh, look at the picture. Oh, I so love this. Okay, so these will be on my wall in my classroom. Like, this is amazing. You are amazing. Oh, look. These are so fun and so cute. No, I'm not taking this off. Okay. Literally, I was just on TikTok shop looking for a Hello Kitty coloring book because I want to start coloring and like relax my mind. Please. This is perfect. Perfect. I literally was looking for one today. I'm so glad I did not buy one because I have one now. Why am I so excited? I'm gonna have to go get me some like fancy cool markers and color pencils and like color some. I'm so excited about that. Okay, I got me some stickers. Okay, wait. I mentioned somewhere that I love stickers. I don't know if I said that out loud somewhere, but hey, amazing. Oh my God. I don't know if this person like knows my life or something because I absolutely love socks. Ooh, these are so cute. Look at this pair. Oh, wow. This is beautiful. This is like the best gift I could have ever received. Ever. And I got some more of these cute little bows. Beautiful. Beautiful. Wow. 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 And some stickers. So cute. Oh my God, where are you? I need to give you like the biggest hug ever. Julia, thank you so much. In this letter, I've already started reading it. There's a part I really wanted to read. Oh my gosh, where is it? I don't know, but it's private, so I'm not going to show you guys all of that. But thank you so much for everything. This is amazing. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I love it so much.